Hey, what is up, everybody, on this raining Friday, y'all, man? This rain right here is just like a damn tooth fairy, man. Just like a tooth fairy, man. You lose a tooth, you expect for this heifer to bring you $10. She gonna show you $9.75. So change real quick. That's what this rain is like today, man. It's just like the tooth fairy right now. It's robbing me for everything. Robbing me for everything. Then last night, I was supposed to go get some spray paint, but I didn't get a chance to because Angie, she wanted to come over and kick it and chill and go out to eat, and I was like, good God almighty, little mama, can a brother get a little bit of rest? Just a little bit of rest? She was like, no, you can't have no rest. You done had your YouTube time, you done had your crushing time, you done had your co-working time, now it's my time now. I was like, damn, little mama, don't you think you're a little bit aggressive about that? She was like, no. When it comes to my time, it's all about me. Me. I said, I was like, well, me, she's about to get effed up off of here talking about me. And she was like, I bet you won't. I bet you won't F me up. Oh, okay. Okay. And I tell y'all this much right here. About an hour later, she knocked out in my bed, sleep, snoring hard. I mean snoring hard, y'all. Put that ass to sleep. To sleep and sleep. What she think this is, man? She think this is Burger King? She think she gets stuff her way? No, man, it don't work like that. Every now and then you may be able to get your way every now and then. But no. You talking about that me? No, baby girl, you can hang that me up and hang it out the window, you did? For real. Hang that right out the window. Let's go ahead and put one of these truck beds up off in there while I'm here. We're going ahead and start getting rid of one or two of them real quick like. But yeah, man. Boy, I tell you, man. I mean, right now, I know this whole generation is messed all up right now because of what's going on and the way everybody acting, the way society is right now. Social media just takes over everything. So, right now, these days, the way stuff going, it's kind of hard to have a good heart sometimes because the way people treat people, the way people see how others act and everything, But it's like once you meet that right person and that right person is looking for almost the exact same thing that you were looking for, but in I would say maybe in a different form, but in the same way. Y'all get what I mean by me saying that? Same form, different way. It is what it is, But yeah, man, it is what it is, y'all. It is what it is. Whoops, this is the wrong part. I am about to stick the wrong part in the pusher. It was supposed to be in this one going up. This one was supposed to be in the middle, but oh well. But like I say, man, sometimes it takes you a long time, man, to find that one special woman or find that one special guy, who you trying to be with, you know what I mean? Like a woman looking for a guy and a guy looking for a girl, and once you meet that right person, find that right person, a lot of things change. You get what I mean? But some things can't stay the same. It is what it is. Like I said, it's just like a tooth fairy, man. It's just like a tooth fairy. Everybody can get show stopped. Everybody can get the short end of the stick too also. You know what I mean? It happens. It goes on all the time, man. It goes on all the time. Hey, I'm a loyal person, man. I'm a loyal person. I'm going to stay loyal to myself regardless of the situation. I'm not finna bow down and break myself down for anybody else. I'm not finna stoop to nobody else's level, because if I had to stoop to somebody else's level, then guess what, little mama? I should not even be talking nor messing with you. You get what I mean? I mean, that's just real talk, for real. That's real talk. That's coming from a person. That's coming from a person who's been through a lot. Let's just put it like that way. Ups and downs, smiles and frowns, all of it. I mean, but you know, like I say, man, like I say, what don't hurt us makes us stronger. But like I say, sometimes it takes the right person. Sometimes it takes the right person to make everything a lot better. I get what I mean? To make some things better. Just like how a woman can make a man's day better, or a man can make a woman's day better. Get what I mean? I mean, it is what it is. It works both ways, baby. Both ways. Skit. Man. All this rain is gonna be doing this all day long, man. No shout outs. I can't really do any shout outs like I really want to, because the paint just gonna run, so it's just a waste. That'll be just a waste of paint and money doing all that right there. You barely won't even be able to see the name. It looks like some kind of the Grinch Stole Christmas writing or something like that. I mean, it is what it is. It's part of nature, man. Part of nature. Part of this. Part of life itself. Here, ain't no ifs, ands, buts about the situation. All right. We'll go ahead and throw that cougar. Yep, that's a cougar right there. I know that. I know them tail lights from anywhere. Somebody won right now. Oh, I'm tripping, boy. I thought I just saw somebody hanging on the back of my damn load up and say, what the hell is going on? That's just my imagination. Playing tricks on me. Dude got the whole front. This dude got the whole front end of the crusher littered with with hubcaps. This dude right here going hubcap crazy today, man. I can tell you right now, man, my ground man, he does not want to be in the rain. I can see the look on his face right now. His look is like, man, I wish I could go home right now, man. I mean, I know, because I done been there before. I done been in these shoes. I did that for 12 years, man. 12 years on the ground doing that right there. Rain, sleet, snow, pain, everything. Everything. Because I can tell you this much right here. Once you conquer being outside and working outside in the rain, you can conquer anything else, because nothing else will bother you, because guess what? You'd be like, hey, I done worked in the rain ain't working in the rain ain't nothing. Some people can say, hey, I done worked in the damn snow, working in the snow ain't nothing. And it is what it is. Y'all give me a second, let me bag and tag this while my ground man doing that. But I tell you, man, this rain's something else, man. I'll tell you, this rain right here got my control pad over here, my keypad, what I use to start up the loader and everything, and do all the do all the controls, lights, hazards, all that other stuff. Now I see all my lights. I see all my lights are starting to go crazy on here. They're all dancing. All of them are on here dancing. Not even supposed to be on like that. Man, I hope ain't no water got up nowhere in this in this little box here. I hope it didn't, man. Cause I'm not giving up my loader. No, I'm not giving it up. Cause if I have to give up my loader, if I can't use my loader to crush cars, then I don't even want to crush no cars. Period. I like my loader better. Alright, man, what else I was supposed to throw something up there. Let's see what we got over here. Man, looks like I'll be starting on running stuff here in a little while. Looks like probably that pork chop, aka pork chop. That dude running, man. Pork chop, aka pork chop. Man, I've been crushing that dude right there for a long time before he actually came over here. I was crushing him at another place for many years before he came up over here. Many years. That's just like the owner of this place here. Man, the owner of this place, I remember when I first started crushing that dude, I was crushing in a small abandoned mechanic shop. Small abandoned mechanic shop, man. Just enough to put the crush in, just enough to make a few bundles. That's about it. That's how much room you had. Yeah, man, that dude there, he done came a long way to where he is right now. He done came a long way. Oh my God. I mean, but you know, like I say, man, it takes time to do shit, do stuff in there. Whoops. Whoa, wait. Come on, now, stop acting retarded. You got everything over here blinking. Man, it is really starting to come down again. I guess I know what I'm gonna do then. I guess I stick this in the middle, in between the Buick and that Chrysler here. So I'm just got to get on that end right there. Cause I'll probably crushing that small Honda here in just a minute. Probably put it with this other small Honda I got back here in this back here. Yep. I got a whole link basket. Man, it's starting to rain so much I had to close my door. Then as soon as I closed my damn door, everything just started fogging up instantly, quick. I was like, no. So now I done turned the AC on. Man, it's about to get cold as a popsicle up off in here, man. Golly. Man, it's about to get cold up in this baby. And I'm wet too because I just went out there and wrapped the bundle and picked up a little trash. Man, it is what it is. I'm not even tripping at all, man. I'm not even tripping. Man, I hate it when I can't even hear the noise to my crush. Man, it doesn't feel like no crushing if I can't hear the noise. Somewhere I'm about to find a way so I can hear this noise. Got no choice. I'll go ahead and throw that other one on right quick. That baby over right there. Then we can throw that what you call on top of it very quick. One of these windows I can't open. Let me figure out which one I can open. I got to be able to hear my noise. Y'all give me 1 second, right? There we go. I can hear a little noise. I got to open up a small window. It's really starting to come down right now. You don't really see it, but it's coming down. See, then plus it's a good thing that, you know, Cowboy got this little dog house over here. That way my grandma, he could just stand right up under there and be like, boom, bang, bing. I'm still dry. That little blue one up off in here. God almighty. Everything wants to turn. No, it's going to be in the front, sir. It's not going to be up under there. Patrick, this one here is in the front. Thinking that this is probably one of those cars where the batteries in the back seat. I think, man, whoever designed those cars to put those damn batteries in the back seat, it's not a bright idea, man. But what you gonna do? What you gonna do when your ass catch fire in the back seat? What you gonna do? Start hollering, oh, my ass is on fire, my ass is on fire. I wonder why. They got you sitting right on the damn meat battery. Good God almighty. I could just imagine what would happen if it explode right up under your ass. Man, your ass just gonna dissolve, man. It's like, I ain't got nothing else left. Oh, you're right. No booties, no nothing. Everything is gone. Man, y'all give me a second. Let me go bag and tag. Get wet. Then it's cold up off in here. Man. This ain't no fun. Cause I said definitely can't use the heat right now. It ain't doing nothing but just fogging everything up. Alright. There we go on that one right there. Alright. Let's see what we got next right quick. I think he's done with this one here. Trying to see if we got a hole in it already. Might have done it, yep. Yeah, we already done that one then. Alright, well, let's just go ahead and stick this one in then. Come on, come on. Baby. Everything's gotta go. It's a liquidation around this camp. Man, it's all day long. All day long. I gotta deal with this rain. Back by my business. What is this right here? Throw the keel with it. Wait, I did have another one right there. Had that Acura. Oh, well, I'll put that Acura with something else then. Man, I just watched this rain, man, just change 3 different directions. Just a minute ago, it was just blowing. Oh my God, it was just blowing on my right side here just a minute ago. And then not too long ago, it was just blowing on the left side. So now it's going, right now it's going up and down. Straight up and down now. Man. Boy, these doors right here are not going in like they supposed to. But it is what it is. I will get back with y'all later on, man. Peace.